So hello guys, in this video we will try to check website vulnerabilities using SOP by Checkmarks. So ang website na try natin at i-attack is itong uh, Orange app ng ating portal sa school. So try natin. Control C. So gamitin natin ay automated scan para mas mabilis. B. Yan. Tapos ito, mamimili kayo kung anong website yung gagamitin nyo. So, tayo naka-Chrome. So, Chrome. Tapos ito, attack. Yan. So, mag-aantay na lang tayo guys. Matagal-tagal to. Nagbabag na guys. Lapit na. Okay. So, SQL injection. Pwedeng ma-hack yung ating portal. So, solution, do not trust client-side input, even if there is client-side validation in place. Suppose vulnerable JS library. Solution, upgrade ng latest version of Bootstrap. So, ENV information leak, not accessible. Absence of anti-CSRF tokens. Architecture and designs. Use vetted library or framework that does not allow this weakness to occur or provides cons- constructs that make this weakness easier to avoid. Tapos, CSP. Ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is configured to set the content security policy header. Hmm. Cross-domain misconfiguration. Ensure that sensitive data is not available in an unauthenticated manner using IP address while listing, for instance. Configure the access control allow origin HTTP header to a more restrictive set of domains. Hidden file. Ano to? Consider whether or not the component is actually required in production. Missing anti-click jacking header. Modern web browser. The solution modern web browser support the context security policy and next frame options at HTTP headers. Ensure one of them is set on all web pages and returned by your site. Vulnerable JS library. Upgrade sa latest version. Cookie with secure flag. Solution whenever a cookie contains sensitive information or is a session token, then it should always be passed using an encrypted channel. Cookie without same site attribute. Ensure that the same site attribute is set to the or ideally strict for all cookies. Ito, cross them in JavaScript. Solution. Ensure JavaScript source files are loaded from only trusted sources, and the sources can be controlled by end users of the applications. Ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is configured to the server header or provide generic details. Strict transport security header not set. Timestamp disclosure. Manually confirm that the timestamp data is not sensitive and the data cannot be aggregated to disclose exploitable patterns. X content type options header missing. So ensure that the application web server sets the content type header appropriately and that it sets the X content type options header to no sniff for all web pages. So yun yung mga risk ng ating uh, website. So SQL is at high risk. malaki yung risk na ma-hack. So yan, SQL injection. Dalawang high risk. Tapos, ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tapos, so far, okay naman. Yun lang.